Croeso I Bencadlys Pencampwriaeth Bêl-drod Cymru. Welcome to the Football Association of Wales for today's Dragon Signs Amateur Trophy semi-finals draw. Congratulations to the 4 teams who progressed from the quarter-finals over the weekend. It's some exciting fixtures. Today I'm joined by former president of the FAW and current member of the National Cup Board, Kieran O'Connor, who will help adjudicate today's semi-final draw. Let's proceed to the draw. First team out of the draw today is FAWales. Facing Llandrindod will be Ardal Southern side, Thomas Bluebirds. They defeated last year's finalists Baglan Dragons on the weekend. Next we have Bridgend Street, and they will face Ardal Northern side, Denbigh Town. Congratulations to all 4 sides in the semi-finals, which will take place on the weekend of the 18th of March. Best wishes to all teams.